Hello students, welcome back to your class. I hope you are in good health and energetic enough to start again. Okay, let us start. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Nutrition in Animals, chapter 2. In chapter 1, you learned that plants can prepare their own food by the process photosynthesis, but animals cannot. Animals get their food from plants, either directly by eating plants or indirectly by eating animals that eat plants. Some animals eat both plants and animals. Recall that all organisms, including humans, require food for growth, repair, and functioning of the body. So, these are the functions of food. Animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in the body. So, nutrition is a process of intake of food and its utilization by the body. Now, intake of food. We take different types of nutrients. Recall in class 6 you learned about components of food. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage are also part of our food. The components of food such as carbohydrates are complex substances. So, carbohydrates, these are complex substances. These complex substances cannot be utilized as such. So, they are broken down into simpler substances. So, as we take carbohydrates directly, the body cannot utilize this. It has to be converted into simpler substances. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. So at time you get digestion. So conversion of this complex substances into simpler substances of is called digestion. Now next, different ways of taking food. The mode of taking food into body varies in different organisms. Bees and hummingbirds suck the nectar of plants. Infants of human and many other animals feed on mother's milk. Snakes like python swallow the animals they prey upon. Some aquatic animals filter tiny food particles floating nearby and feed upon them. So, different way the food is being taken in the body. See a table given over here. In your book, various modes of feeding. See, like snail, ant, eagle. So, name of the animal, kind of food they take, and mode of feeding. How do they take this? By scraping or chewing, siphoning, capturing, and swallowing, or by sucking. So, this table you can fill it in. Different types of food are taken by different animals, and the mode of taking the food, that is also different. Now see, I am showing you a picture. This is of a starfish. So, is it a fish? No. It is a sea animal, and the skin of this animal, it has got spines. Starfish feeds on animals covered by hard shells of calcium carbonate. So, the type of food they take, the animals they take, it has hard shells of calcium carbonate. After opening the shell, the starfish pops out its stomach through its mouth to eat the soft animal inside the shell. So just imagine when they open the shell, and after that through their mouth starfish pops out its stomach and eat the animal. The stomach then goes back into the body and food is slowly digested. So do we pop, we also have stomach. Do we pop out our stomach to take the food? Certainly not. Let us see digestion in humans. We take in food through the mouth, digest and utilize it. The unused part of the food are defecated. Have you ever wondered what happens to the food inside the body? The food passes through continuous canal, which begins at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. The canal can be divided into various compartments: the buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine ending in the rectum, and the anus. So it is a long canal or a long tube which has got different shapes at different places and differently named also. What are these? buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, a bag-like structure, small intestine, long coiled structure, large intestine, it is also a long coiled structure. Large intestine ends in the rectum, a small bag-like structure, and the anus, it is also an opening. Isn't it not a very long path? So certainly it is a very long coiled structure. These parts together form the alimentary canal. So all this right now which I have underlined, this forms the alimentary canal or digestive tract. The food components gradually get digested as food travels through the various compartments. So the various parts as it travels through that, it is being digested. The inner walls of the stomach and the small intestine and the various glands associated with the canal, such as salivary glands, the liver and the pancreas, secrete digestive juices. So name of some glands you have got: salivary glands, liver and pancreas, and even small intestine or the stomach, walls of the small intestine and stomach also have various glands, and they pour digestive juices. They secrete digestive juices. The digestive juices convert complex substances of food into simpler substances. So that is, what is it called? It is digestion. So digestion takes place in the digestive system of human being. The digestive tract and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system. The digestive tract or the alimentary canal and associated glands together constitute digestive system. Now let us know what happens to the food in different parts of the digestive tract. So as it passes on from the buccal cavity to the other parts of the digestive system, food is digested. So that we are going to discuss in the next class. Thank you, children.